In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a LAMP web server on DigitalOcean, which includes configuring Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP to work harmoniously. For those of you eager to dive in, let's get started with launching your very own scalable server on the cloud. First things first, head over to digitalocean.com and sign in or create an account if you haven't already. Once inside your account dashboard, you'll see an option labeled Create at the top. Click it and select Droplets to begin the process of launching a virtual private server. The next step is choosing the operating system. For our LAMP stack, we recommend selecting Ubuntu for its compatibility and reliability. Be sure to select the latest version available to ensure you have the most recent updates and features. Now you'll need to configure your Droplets specifications. Choose your preferred plan, which often balances cost and computing power depending on your project's needs. It's also crucial to set up either an SSH key, which is more secure, or a password to safely access your droplet later. Once your droplet is created, you'll want to connect to it via SSH. Open a terminal on your computer and enter the command ssh root at your droplet IP. This connects you to your droplet server, enabling you to execute commands directly. After securing access, it's important to update the system to ensure everything runs smoothly. Use the command apt-update and an apt-upgrade.y to fetch the latest updates and security patches for your server. With the system updated, it's time to install Apache, which will serve as your web server. Execute the command apt-install apache2.y. Once installed, verify it's running by checking its status with systemcl status apache2. To ensure Apache was installed correctly, open your web browser and type your droplet's IP address. You should see the Apache default page, confirming the web server is active and serving requests. Next, you'll want to install MySQL, which will handle the database side of your applications. Use the command apt install mysql server.y. MySQL will allow you to store and manage your application data efficiently. Finally, it's time to install PHP, the language your server will use to build dynamic pages. Install it along with necessary modules using apt install pc libapache 2 modis php mysql y. Verify PHP's installation by checking its version with php. Once PHP is set up, it's a good idea to test if it's working with Apache. Create a simple PHP file by executing echo var www.html info php. This file provides information about your current PHP configuration. To view your test page, return to your web browser and type http your droplet IP info. You should see a detailed page displaying PHP information, confirming PHP is functional within your Apache setup. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a LAMP stack on DigitalOcean. Your server is now ready to handle web applications efficiently. Remember, each component, Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP, plays an integral role in delivering robust web services.